back to another video. It's your boy TJ back again with a brand new video for you guys. So I'm about to pick up a subscriber. I'm gonna let him ride in this Redeye. We're gonna go to a car meet, so y'all just stay tuned, you guys, man. It should be very interesting because I don't think he's never been in a Hellcat, so stay tuned. I'm gonna do a little POV. I might as well. 17 minutes away though. Turn the air down some. Bro, that Corsa exhaust, man, it sounds so good with this Redeye, bro. Man, it sounds so good. All that popping. I think I should get headers on this car. That's what I think I should do. See, y'all just stay tuned, man. You know, I might get some headers thrown on here. We gonna see. We gonna see. Bro, I don't understand why they ride side by side. This is the fast lane. That's the slow lane. Alright, so you say you never been in a what?
I never been in a Hellcat before, bro. It's my first time and shit.
Okay, you recording?
Hey, don't be doing no bullshit too. I thought you were about to. That nigga is crazy, bro. Chill out. God damn. This man is crazy as fuck. Oh yeah, you been doing that little.
Yeah.
Oh, that's that down shit. It's a stop sign.
Yeah. I know this area.
Bro, that's not a stop sign and shit.
Oh, you was asking?
Oh. No, I was just letting you know.
Oh, yeah. I ain't gonna do nothing in y'all city because y'all got cops.
The wine is like, the wine sounds so beautiful, bro.
Yeah, for real, for real.
I love it. Now you got match here. You got matches.
I'm about to say I wasn't recording the whole time. I'm about to say.
That man was thinking you can cut up.
He better chill. He in the truck. He better chill. Tell him he better chill.
This nigga is chill the fuck out.
He trying to flip the truck. Yeah.
What is that? TRX?
Nah, that's just a regular F-150.
Nah, he's a gangster.
I ain't gonna scare you, bro. I'm done.
Nah,
I'm done messing with it.
We going this way?
Yeah, I gotta get on the freeway.
you got lucky.
Yeah.
You got lucky. Damn.
He put the hazard lights on.
Nah, you got good brakes.
Yeah, and I'm not really on it, bro. I'm barely on it.
You really on the
Yeah.
Yeah, you got great. You must have great brakes.
Got to, bro, with all this power.
In Pembroke, we trust.
And I need some gas.
Oh, y'all heard this car is the gas.
Mm-hmm.
Is it really that bad, or they be like, oh,
No, it's bad, bro.
Damn. Police. Where they at? You know what I always want to do in a Hellcat? Like that little ding, 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 ding.
You ever heard Joe popping? So you gonna have to lead, just if you want to, cause he wanna hear it. God dang.
You think he should dematch the RT logo?
I don't know.
Cause they motherfuckers they'll not know what that is.
Yeah.
They're not gonna know what that is.
God dang, house.
More stories right now.
His feet getting off the ground.
No, my feet is getting off the ground.
He's like, stop. I know you is. That's what you want to say.
Nah, you can keep going. Just don't hit the car.
I ain't gonna hit it, man. Oh, you can look the window if you want to record, bro.
What's
Good
up,
to
y'all?
see you, man.
Good
I'm gonna
to
talk
see
to you in a
too,
little bit,
man.
bro.
All right, man.
What's good, man?
I got high storage.
Yeah. Where? Oh, yeah? Don't blow it up now. That's what I just said. The gold stripe. I see you, man. That's him. Hey, Redeye mowed it too. No way. Oh yeah, that's him. He blocked the tag on it. You blocked his tag.
TJ one of them.
Bro, I was gonna get that's him normally. House.
Oh god, how's the you gonna see me next time get it? That fucking I thought that was a fanboy of the page. I'm so dead ass.
I ain't seen one of these since 2016.
No,
Bro, I ain't seen a burnout in a long time. The same cat. Don't crash. All right, so we at the second spot of the car meet, and I guess they want to have a boxing match. You know what I'm saying?
I was waiting on you niggas to pull that bullshit. He really can't, bro.
Oh my goodness. Just don't crash into my car. Right, just don't crash into
Like
it.
for real.
I'm be mad.